Marissa had always known that she was different from the other kids at school. While they had two neatly separated eyebrows, hers was one long thick brow that seemed to stretch across her entire face. She had tried to hide it with pencils and makeup, but no matter how hard she tried, the unibrow refused to budge. As she entered high school, things only got worse. The teasing and ridicule from her classmates reached new heights, and Marissa began to feel like an outcast. Even her own family seemed to avoid talking about her unibrow, as if it was something to be ashamed of. But then, one day, everything changed. Marissa stumbled upon a group of kids who were part of a support group for people with unusual physical characteristics. They called themselves the Misfit Crew, and they welcomed Marissa with open arms. Heather, Joe, and the rest of the crew showed Marissa that being different wasn't something to be ashamed of. It was something to be proud of. They taught her how to embrace her uniqueness and own it, and soon Marissa found herself feeling more confident than she had ever felt before. As she navigated high school with her newfound confidence, Marissa discovered that having a unibrow wasn't the only thing that made her special. She was smart, funny, and kind, and she had a talent for writing that she never knew existed. She began writing stories about her misfit friends, and before long, she found herself getting published in local publications and even snagging some writing contests. But even with all of these accolades, Marissa's popularity among the rest of the school was not improved much. People mostly just saw her as the unibrow girl and didn't really get to know her beyond that. Marissa realized that she had two choices. She could continue to hide behind her writing and let it be her only means of self-expression, or she could take a chance and show the world who she truly was. It wasn't easy, but with the support of her misfit crew, Marissa decided to take the leap and be herself, unibrow and all. As she walked through the halls of her school, Marissa no longer felt like an outcast. She had found a new sense of purpose and belonging, and she knew that no matter what, she would always have her misfit crew by her side. What was Marissa's biggest struggle in high school? Marissa struggled with the teasing and ridicule from her classmates, feeling like an outcast and an embarrassment to her family. How did Marissa's perspective on her uniqueness change after meeting the misfit crew? The misfit crew helped Marissa see that her uniqueness was something to be proud of, rather than ashamed of. What was one way Marissa found confidence in high school? Marissa found confidence in writing stories about her misfit friends and getting published in local publications. Despite her newfound confidence, why did Marissa still feel like an outcast at school? Even with her writing successes, Marissa's popularity among the rest of the school was not improved much, as people mostly just saw her as the unibrow girl. What was Marissa's ultimate decision about how to approach her high school experience? Marissa decided to take a chance and show the world who she truly was, rather than hiding behind her writing.